All right, Woody. Uh-oh, Woody's hanging off. Hey, Woody, high five. Uh-oh, Woody might hit his head. Oh, he missed. A big train, and look, we got extra tracks. Wow, look at that. It's the Polar Express, Lorenzo.
Wow.
Yeah, so here we go. Let's pull this out. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. It's a big train. Look at these cars. Whoa, look at that big train. Choo-choo. Wow, look at that, the Polar Express. All right, let's set all of those aside. Oh, and we got the controller. Look, we can control it. Okay. All right, what else is in this box? Oh, nothing else is in. Oh, look, we have a box right here. All right, so we probably got some tracks and stuff. So let's set up a track and then let's play with this. Okay, we have the train all ready to go. Lorenzo, are you ready to drive the train? All right, let's put this right here and let's turn the train on. Look at the light on, Lorenzo. Look, see the light on the train? All right, let's see what this does. Oh, look, Lorenzo, this is the horn. Hit this button right here. Hit this button. That's the train. What's this button do? All aboard! Wow, that's what that button does. Hit, what's this button do? Oh, that's the horn to the train. All right, let's see. Let's move this and see if it'll go. Whoa. Look at that. Let's speed it up. Whoa. Let's see how fast it can go. Oh, he's moving. Whoa. You like it? All right, you come over here. You turn it on. Sit right here. There they go. And look, if you do it this way, it goes backwards. Yeah, look, see? It goes backwards too. Now it's going forward. Yep, now that makes it go backwards. And put it to the middle if you want it to stop. If you want it to stop, you put it right here. See the middle? So you put it in the middle if you want it to stop. That way's forward. Look, this way's backwards. And you put it in the middle to stop it. Oh, Lorenzo used the bell. Now he's doing the whistle. Nice. Hit the whistle when you come by. Whoa, look, Buzz Lightyear's still standing up there. He's taking a ride. See, now Buzz Lightyear, he's like, hey, get me off. Buzz, get me off. Thank you. Who's gonna take a ride now? Who should take a ride now instead of Buzz? Boo? Boo? All right, let's put Boo up there. I'd put her right here. This is a great spot for her to stay. Oh, look, maybe we could put Buzz right here. Should we put Buzz on the front? Buzz is on the front. Oh, Buzz! Oh, he almost got run over by the train. Oh, my. Here comes the train. It's going fast. Hit the horn. Hit the whistle. Hey, Boo. Hi, Boo. Say hi, Boo.
Hi, Boo.
Stop the train when it comes over here. I'll put Rex on. Make it go to the middle. There you go. Good job. Good job, Lorenzo. All right, now we're putting Rex on. There we go. Bye, Rex. Train going slow. Maybe put Woody up here. Put him. Yeah. All right, Woody. Uh-oh, Woody's hanging off. Hey, Woody. High five. Uh-oh, Woody might hit his head. Oh, he missed. No? Hi, Buzz. Hi, Rex. Oh, going backwards. Peep is on the back of the train now. So you got Woody, Rex, and Bo Peep. All hanging out. I don't think she'll stay there. Maybe. Go slow. Look, Boo's in the train. Woody's there. Boo is in there. Look at Boo. Hi, Boo. Oh, Bo Peep fell off the back. You like your new train, buddy?
Yes.
Is it cool?
A big train.
Yeah, it's a big train.
Yes. It's an outside. Beep. This.
We're driving backwards. Oh, here we go forward. Look at that train. There's snow on top of the train.
So?
Yeah, look, see the white? That's snow. Mike Wazowski did not fall off, you're right. Hey, Mike Wazowski. Look at Mike Wazowski. Wave to Mike Wazowski. Hi, Mike Wazowski. It's going slow. Now he's going faster. Whoa. That's the whistle. That's the conductor. Yeah, the guy who drives the train. Hope you guys like the train. It's going backwards.